Today's project is refinishing this authentic steel-built firewood carrier circa 1976. Rather than throwing it away, I'm going to refinish it and make it look like new. It's real steel and sturdy, so it's something I want to definitely recycle and reuse. I'm going to clean and sand the surface to get rid of the rust to prep it before painting. So I've removed probably a couple of decades of rust and dirt from the surface. Now it's time to apply the paint and primer. Well, I've got it all painted, and now I'm on to the next project to paint a different fire rack from the 1970s. So here's how it's looking so far. There's this other firewood rack from the 1970s that we're going to keep out of the landfill by taking off the rust, painting it up, and using it on the deck. Here's the fully restored wood rack. Reduce, reuse, recycle. 1976 never looked so good.